Hello everybody, welcome back. Tesfaye here. Today we are looking at uh, user input data or information for our code. We have seen one example in our previous lesson, and this time we're going to see one short, but maybe with a different input type, not different input type, but different way of looking at the input itself. So let's see in code together. So gonna go for new class. Let's say um, string length. Okay, I'm gonna use length method to tell the length of the string that we input. So we have done this one as well. From a string we directly coded into the Java program itself. But this time we use the scanner to take in a string and then measure the length and then print out the length. Okay, so let's bring a scanner here, or let's call our scanner. Let's call me a scanner, or whatever name you can. Scanner system in. Okay, this is very important. System.in. Okay, and let's import the scanner. One way is to write it, the other way is to move the cursor over the scanner itself and import those. So now we have initialized our new scanner object, so we can use that object now. And then after that, what we're going to do is we just ask ask our user to write a text string, and then from that string we store it somewhere, and we use the string length method to to find out the length of that string. So we're gonna system.out.print, okay, and then we say here, please enter a string or a word, something like that. Okay, and now we take that string as a string and make it let's make it a string one. It's string. We save that in that string, and to save that we take that in from a scanner next line method to store it in the string. So this is where our string gonna be stored, and then what we have to do is just print system.out.print. What we're gonna do, the length of your string is now plus what is the string, str dot length. That's it. So we ask the user to insert a string. We store it in a string called str, and then we measure that string of its length, how many of the length it has. So as you can see, when we don't have anything from in the code, we are going to ask the user. So if we run this will print first, takes our string in, stores it in here, and the next one we press enter, that will go producing that. Please enter your string. So let's say a string, and when we enter, press enter, the second and the last will print out. The length of your string is 6. So it counts all the string in here. Actually, you can see it's 6. Okay, there's no storage here. It's only a temporary storage here. It's in str, and then str that finished, and we don't have any there. Again, if we run the program, it asks for another string, and then we put the string, whatever string, let's be string. When we write, it will be printed out. Okay, so that's very short, but just to give you another perspective to string manipulation from user data. Next time next video we'll see how we can use numeric data in the same way using scanner. And see you next video. Bye now.